Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We're going to have some fun with this one. We got a 1973 Volkswagen Thing, ground up restored, has some nice upgrades, and this is one of my favorite vehicles of all time. We get everything through here. Hemi Cudas, we have the Batmobile, Duesenbergs, and this is one of my favorites. I've had so many good times with the Volkswagen Thing. I get to make all sorts of corny dad jokes calling it a thing. This is the coolest thing, wild thing. So we're gonna, if you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs on this one, study all the pictures, get the price, and there's a couple hundred collector cars on there you'll see as well. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the next video comes out. But right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin in this thing. And I'm going to take you through the transformation. Right now it's an enclosed vehicle, and you're going to see the windows come off, the top come off, the doors come off, the windshield fold down. It's just a blast. But first I'm going to tell you all about it. This thing is completely taken down to a bare shell. It's all repainted inside and out, under the fenders, in everywhere it's painted. The trunk compartment's all painted. It's not a $20,000 glass finish, but there's no damage. It's straight, there's no rust. It's very glossy. It's a beautiful paint. New welting between the fenders. The lenses and all the hardware looks new. It's got the stainless tips coming right through the bumper. Door handles look new. The mirrors, the lights, the headlight bezels. It has some custom Hella fog lamps up front. These are the 15-inch wheels. They're all chromed. It has a chrome trim ring, painted center caps. Tires look new. Has the Thing sticker on the side. Has the convertible top. It's in really nice shape. Looks like it could be scrubbed in a few places and made a little cleaner, but it's in excellent shape. Has all the side windows. Those are very expensive if they're missing. And these have been upgraded with sliding plexiglass. That's an aftermarket accessory. Normally they were just soft plastic. But we're going to start taking the top down, taking the doors off, and show you how much fun you can have with this thing. These windows pop right off. They literally just set right down in there. So you've got an enclosed vehicle, and in a minute you're going to see how much fun this thing is. These doors lift right off. And of course, now that I'm on video, I won't be able to do it. Oh, that's right, you have to open them up. That's how they come off. Back door also comes off. Just bear with me, it'll be worth it. There we go, I got the back door comes off. And then we're going to put the top down. It's an all redone interior. The whole inside of the car is all painted. Look at the doors, all up in there. It's all the Aqua. Reupholstered tan seats front and back. The back seats fold down flat for plenty of storage. The latches on the top look like they're new. They look like they're stainless steel. And then this folds down. There we go. This has what they call the duck boards. They're the wooden slats on the floor. That's a cool accessory. This has a center console wrapped around the shifter. It's a 4-speed manual shift, real easy to shift. Top folds down easy, one person. Then and I'm not done yet. you really want to get the full effect of the wind in your face, you put the windshield down flat. This was Germany's version of the Jeep. These are really popular if you have like a beach house or in a resort town. This is how I drive it. Windshield down, doors off, tops off. My family loves it. My kids love it. It's just a fun vehicle. Anywhere you go out, people are thumbs up, waving, smiling, laughing. It just brings on automatic fun. So the rear seats fold down. There is a stereo system in here. It didn't turn on for me, but there is a stereo system with CD player, 6x9 speakers up front, 4x6 speakers back here with 2 JL Audio subwoofers. It's got seat belts front and back, a really nice leather-wrapped chrome spoke steering wheel. They put in a really nice custom tachometer. It's LED lit up. And all the components, all the knobs, latches, hardware, everything in here is good. I've had a bunch of these, and a lot of that stuff's missing or broken, and didn't really care. It's just a fun vehicle, but this one seems to be the most complete. For example, I don't recall seeing any of this in my other ones. I think that's part of the heating system, and all components, the latches chrome, all the hardware, the washer bottles here, it looks like it's hooked up, has a spare, matches the type of wheel with a brand new tire, has a tire cover. Everything's very complete. Nice Volkswagen gas cap. The engine supposedly was rebuilt. It runs perfectly well. Carburetor looks new. I'll start it up for you in just a second here. These are easy to drive, fun to drive. You don't have to worry about taking out your $100,000 car. You just take this thing, go drive it. Go drive it on the beach, drive it to town. You throw the kids in the back, throw your groceries in the back, your firewood for the bonfire you're going to have that night. You're just going to have a blast with this thing. The cushions feel good. All the springs are repainted and restored. It does have a bag that you put the side windows in. Underneath the car, even the whole front end is rebuilt, detailed. They even painted some of the suspension this aqua color. It's got a sway bar. It's got coilover shocks front and back. It's got powder coated exhaust system in back. I'm telling you, this is one of the best ones I've had, and guaranteed to have fun. Really, my daughter's thrilled every time I buy one. She's upset every time I sell it. She wants me to just keep one permanently in our garage. But visit volocars.com, and plenty of ways to contact our staff. They'll answer any questions or concerns about the car, the process. We offer financing, we offer delivery. If you enjoyed the video, go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.